Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can remove age restrictions on an iPhone. So let's get started. If certain apps, features, or content are restricted on your iPhone because of screen time settings, there are a few options we can check. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Once you're inside Screen Time, look for App Limits and open it. If you have any limits set for specific apps or categories, review them and remove or disable them if they're preventing access to the apps you want to use. Now, go back to the main Screen Time page and look for Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on this option to view the available restrictions. If Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled, review the settings that are limiting apps, content, or other features on your iPhone. If you have permission to change these settings, you can turn the restrictions off or adjust the specific content settings that are causing the problem. You may want to check the App Store, Media, Web, and Games or Content Restrictions section, depending on your iOS version. Here, you can review age ratings and content limits for apps and other types of media. After making the necessary changes, go back and try opening the app or feature that was previously restricted. Keep in mind that some restrictions may be controlled by a parent, guardian, school, or organization. In that case, you may need the screen time passcode or administrator permission to change them. And that's it. That's how you can check and adjust age and content restrictions on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.